So you might decide that you would like to fill an entire area full of one of the printouts that you've got on your desk. Okay, now just say I want to do this leg. It's going to be very hard for me to sort of put this on and try and guess where I need to cut out. I have to keep flipping it up and down, but that is going to be tricky. So the easiest thing to do is to use a piece of tracing paper, and you will put that over the section that you would like to cover with the printout. Okay, so I'm going to do this leg. So with a pencil, a nice sharp pencil, draw the area that you would like to cover with the printout. Do it as accurate as you possibly can. So I'm going to fill that entire leg. Okay, so there you go. So now you've got your tracing paper with the graphite outline on one side. It's not, you can see it on the other side, but it's not there, it's only on this side. Okay. Now the quickest way to do this is to figure out roughly which part of the pattern you want to use. So I'd like some of this rainbow bit in, so I know that's there. So what I'm going to do is, with the graphite side up, I'm going to turn my pattern sheet over, and I'm going to turn the graphite sheet over. I'm going to position that where the rainbow was, so it was just there. And then I'm going to go over this line again with my pencil. Try not to let the tracing paper move. And you're going to press hard over the line that you just drew. Okay, and then hopefully when you lift this up, you've transferred the graphite from the other side onto the paper. Now I'm going to cut this out with some scissors. So I'm going to carefully cut this section out. Take your time. The neater it is, and the more precise it is, the better your outcome's going to look. And try not to waste lots of the sheet because someone else might want to use it. So I'm going to cut my section off. Cut the leg section out. There. That will do. Put that to one side. And then I'll turn that back over. There's the pattern. That's the leg that I wanted to cover there. And then I'll glue that down. Okay. Okay, and then another thing you might want to use the tracing paper for is just say you would like to have a hat on Anderson. You could put it over there and work out where exactly you want this hat to go. Now I might do a bit of a crazy hat. We'll do minimalism, but I like the circles that I've seen so far. So I might try and even do like a big round hat on this guy. So I'll draw like that. And it doesn't matter if it's a bit of a crazy design, but I'm going to go around like that, I think. I could even do it. I could have done it big. I might even have more circles coming down like that. Okay, so that's like my hat design. And then we'll do the same process again. Now so I'm going to take this one, turn that over, flip this one over, and then I'm going to go over. There it is, transferred. Cut this out. There we go. Then I think, if I remember exactly how I had it, it was kind of coming off his head like that. So I'm going to glue that down. And then I'll position that hat on how I wanted it. Kind of like that. Yeah? Right, but that was a demonstration to show you how you can use tracing paper to fill certain sections, okay? So please feel free to use that on certain areas if you would like to.